Yeah, I was full throttle, oh yeah. Drivers ready? Set, go. Woo, somebody spun me out. No, woo. Ooh, they piled up down there. I'm waiting, I'm waiting.
Oh, shit. Same toe twice, though.
Oh, shit.
I gotta walk that one off. Battery?
Probably thermal.
Either that or temp.
Yeah.
Check the heat now.
Drivers ready? Set, go. Thank God for this body, because if not, I would have broke. I'm sure. I'm sure. Would you break? All right, we got the Vendetta versus Pinky. Let's see what happens. Y'all ready? Set, go. I spun out. He got me. It's dusty. I was spinning. Jeez, man. I didn't even get to record that last week. Marco was over there. I saw his body like that. I dug him with the limitless. Them S1s is holding up. Oh yeah. Rubbing on the body? That's probably what was slowing it down earlier.
No, it's the body's too low.
I'm waiting on my RS4 3S to charge up now. Bring that thing back out. Smoking Marco with that thing.
Yeah. Let's go another one.
He's ready. He's coming out. He's coming out with no body.
No body.
It's Garage Wars, baby.
Okay.
Driver ready? Set, go. Oh. The code's supposed to be right there. Oh! No! We got him. We got him. Good thing we stuck in there, baby. Yeah. Good thing we stayed in there. Limitless taking them out, baby. That's one.
Actually, I like these.
What is cone at? Let me
Probably go up like that.
No, I didn't put it that far. But that's a longer run. Marco's trying to air it out. He's trying to air it out. Oh, when we turn now, we can nearly hit that wall. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Oh, look at y'all. I wasn't trying to let off. I wasn't trying to let off. Oh man. You popped the screws right off of that.
You don't need that where we're going.
No.
I
What happened? Somebody took you out?
me and him we tangled. What happened?
The dog bone is in there? The dog bone probably popped out.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah,
Oh, I just heard something. Yeah.
Oh, maybe
there you
that
go.
was one.
Nice.
The dog bone usually pops out and holds on the hub.
Yeah, we had a small tangle.
We ready? We ready? All right. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Set, go. Something ain't right. I don't know. It started feeling like it was dragging. I don't know, I probably bent this plate down. Oh, okay, I see what happened. The piece right here. Damn, my front broke. Fucking with Marco. All right, there we go.
You good?
Yeah, but I smell my motor cooking.
What?
I smell my motor cooking. Ooh, yeah, that thing is on fire. You want to see some temps? Get your temp gun. Get your temp gun. Get your temp gun. That thing probably 250.
250.
Ooh, you seen that 244?
Yep.
No.
244, what you talking?
No.
I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
it was.
229?
Look, still 229 there.
Yeah,
230.
230. It's up there. I smell that thing.
You trying to hit
That's
the
at a
big
cool
boys.
76.
It was roaring on you though.
Come on, let me show you a fucking lap.
I got two on you.
Here we go.
Relax. He gets, I can't go until he hits the goal.
He's gonna be going like a motherfucker. Watch out. I know. That's what I'm afraid of.
You can turn the steering wheel right now? Steering. You don't think you got too much steering?
Go ahead.
Move these cones now.
Steering wheel, right?
Yeah, maybe if I.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Yep.
All right, drivers ready?
Yep.
Set, go. You're facing the wrong way. Hold on, don't even move no more. Nine. You ready? Set, go. I can't even turn around.
done.
Look how wide I gotta turn. It's a tank, Marco. That car was made for you. That's my wheel? Oh my goodness. All right, let's do it. Don't leave Marco up in the front. Hold up. All right, driver ready? Set, go. Oh, sorry. Drivers ready? Set, go. You turn that sucker up, Marco. See? Look at this. Ah. Want to hit? Whenever you're ready, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yep. S. 3S at 82%. This 3S at 82%. Hear that cogging? That's from that high ass gearing. You ready?
Are you ready?
Yep. Demolition running, boy. I'm waiting on you. That thing running. 3S, yeah. You ready? Whenever you're ready, you go. I didn't want to flip you over. A little bit of rubbish. Oh! Hold on, I think I'm rear wheel drive. Yeah, I'm rear wheel drive. I'm rear wheel drive right now. Because that grub screw probably came loose. Yeah, it came loose again. Did it break or did it come loose? Let me bring it to the table. Ready. Damn, it came off already? Yeah, it's gonna have to be fixed. Yeah, we're gonna fix this at a later date.